I'm Henry, I'm from Amsterdam, Holland, and the diagnosis was spinal injury because of a hernia. Because of a delay in operation, the nerve in my spine got bruised. My walking was disabled. I could walk really good, and yeah, I open up every day with pain and difficulty to walk. I was not so convinced that there's nothing to do about it. I went searching the internet and see what kind of treatments there were available. And then I found Swiss Medica. Being here, yeah, it was a good experience, you know. It looks professional, it's professional care I got. Nice people who really genuinely take care of me.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
What's your name, where are you from, and what's the diagnosis?
I'm Henry, I'm from Amsterdam, Holland, and the diagnosis was spinal injury because of a hernia.
When were you diagnosed?
6 years ago.
And how has the diagnosis affect your daily life? What are some of the main symptoms that you've been dealing with?
Well, because of a delay in operation, the nerve in my spine got bruised, and then they operated me to clean out the spine and the joint. But then it seemed that the nerve was damaged because of that blockage, that it never recovered anymore.
And
So then my walking was disabled. I could walk really good, and yeah, I open up every day with pain and difficulty to walk.
have you tried any other treatments before coming here?
Yeah, well, I did some checkups and some neurological MRE and all of that. But yeah, in Holland they say, okay, it's your age, the spines are damaged, so we can't do anything about it anymore. So you have to live with it.
How did you find us? How did you find
Well,
our
because I was
clinic?
not so convinced that there's nothing to do about it. I went searching the internet and see what kind of treatments there were available. And then I found Swiss Medica.
Have you ever been to Serbia? Did you have any fear coming to Serbia?
No, never been to Serbia, the first time.
And what are your expectations for the long-term results of the treatment?
Well, that's really unclear now. So yeah, if you read all the testimonies on the internet, yeah, there's no definite cure or guarantee, but it's worth to try. So yeah, on my age, I think, well, it's worth to try.
Of course. Have you noticed any kind of changes or improvements after the therapy?
No, not yet really, because yeah, it's only a few days that I had my infusions from stem cells, and the doctors tell me, well, it might kick in after a month or 6 weeks, and so yeah, I have to wait and see what happens. But yeah, I've spoken to some of the other patients here, and some have good results, so yeah, I'm hopeful.
We're all hoping for
Yeah, hope for
improvements.
recovery, yeah, it would be the best. I like to run in the park again.
And why did you choose Swiss Medica over other clinics?
Well, there's only a few clinics in the world to go to, I think, and most of them are really far away from Holland, so this was first the closest, and it looked more the most trustworthy. Being here, yeah, it was a good experience, you know. It looks professional, it's professional care I got. Nice people who really genuinely take care of me, and
How was the medical staff?
Yeah, that's great. You know, my experiences with medical staff is that they go for their protocol and only that, and look more at the insurance company than to the patient. You know, and here you have genuine contact with the people. They take a lot of time to talk about it and try to give you the best treatment. So yeah, it was nice and convincing and trustworthy, and so until now, so far so good. Yeah.
And do you have maybe any advice for people with the same diagnosis as you have?
Well, yeah, to make sure that this is the final place where you can have a treatment where it's on other places not possible. You know, it's still in an experimental phase, and you know, it's and therefore in Europe or many other places, yeah, they don't give you the advice to do it. You know, they're quite skeptical about it because there's not enough research and not enough experiments yet, and statistically proven scientific proof. It's, you know, it's all still not there. But yeah, I think if you have a condition, and especially at my age, they should allow you to do the experiment. You know, because what is there to lose? You know, you have only to gain. And yeah, I think that's a better approach than wait for the insurance companies most of the time to approve it.
Thank you very much.
Okay.